Is your kid already driving you crazy this summer? Running out of ways to keep them entertained? Well, buckle up, parents, because Young Fan Summer Camp has an awesome field trip right up your alley. At the Young Fan Bowling Field Trip, your kids will experience a day of pure fun while learning important life skills. From mastering hand-eye coordination to practicing patience and good sportsmanship, bowling is the ideal activity to engage their bodies and minds. Best of all, it gets them off the couch and away from screens. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today for the Young Fan Bowling Field Trip to give your kids a summer experience they'll never forget. Who knows, you might just discover a hidden talent. This field trip is affordable family fun that turns an ordinary day into a striking memory. Spare yourself the headache of keeping the kids entertained and let Young Fan do it for you. Visit our website or call us now to learn more about our programs and to schedule a tour.